Alright, g'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is, the 14th of October, and we are driving to Cairns today, so first leg. Owen's already strapped in. He was wearing a cone because he was chewing on his tail and literally pulled all the fur off it. So he's an idiot, which is, I think everyone knows that, but that's the consequences of his actions. We got Big Odie here, tucked in the corner. You turn that light on somehow? I don't even know how to turn that on in my own car, but he's here. He's raring to go. So I think we're going to try get to Burke today, which is I think 1,100 kilometers. Might do a little bit more depending on how we're traveling, but yeah. So this is day one of the travel up to Cairns. We've got the Husky in the back and the Specialized. So keen to do some riding over the next month or so. So pretty keen to get into that. I've got a heap of snacks down here as well. Heaps of Zizz, a few Red Bulls from the Red Bull team here in Adelaide. Thank you very much. And got my bags and we're ready to go. What do you reckon, Owen? He just wants to go to sleep. All right, till our next stop.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you.
Alright guys, it's been about 8-9 hours I reckon, or maybe even longer, and I'm in Cobar. You can see that, the sun. No, you can't see it. Dogs having a run around. Let's come into the vision over here. Cobar. And I just came on some sketchy as dirt road and mud, and I nearly got bogged, and I would have been absolutely screwed if I got bogged. But you can see the ram copped an absolute pizzling. Have a go at it. G'day guys. Alright, so I think it's about 1,200 k's done today. I'm in Burke, New South Wales. So crossed into the Victorian border, then the New South border, and tomorrow I'll be in the Queensland border, and I'm going to try get to Townsville, which is about 15-16 hours non-stop. So it's a big ask, but if I don't get there, it'll be go Charters Towers. But the boys are a bit cooked. Odie's ready for bed. So is Owen. So we are about to go to bed, get up early and do it all again. Alright, good morning guys. It's nearly 6 o'clock. Snoozed a couple of times. So yeah, on the road a little bit later than I wanted to be, but we're on the road again. Boys have just gone straight back to bed. So yeah, we're cruising. I want to try to get to Townsville. That's like 16 hours though, so might have to pull up in Charters Towers, but we'll see how we're tracking. But yeah, so we're into it now and loving it. I am absolutely loving it. I've had so much fun driving it, and I've always loved just driving, tunes, podcasts, whatever. moving. We'll get there. Alright, so I made it to Chartersville, I think it is. And boys are just out having a go on the toilet, giving a drink. Getting along pretty well. I'll tell you what, I've hit a heap of birds today, which is pretty sad. But they just flew straight into me. So I think a hawk, got a hawk as well. Poor bastard, bloody hit me roof rack. They fly out of the way, then into the way, and I just can't do anything about it. So, but I'm trucking along pretty well, hoping to get to Townsville tonight. So I got a few hours yet, but yeah, tracking along all right. A few podcasts, whatnot. Ram's doing really well. I need to give these a bit of a clean up though before we start driving at night, and the light bar is absolutely filthy. But doing the job, so I'm going to keep moving. Owen. Alright guys, last couple of hours, or three and a half hours I've got. Just stayed in town, just left Townsville, stayed there the night in a little motel, which wasn't too bad. And boys have gone back to sleep for something different. And yeah, so smashed it out yesterday. Like, it was about 1,400 kilometres I did yesterday. Left at about 5:45. Got into Townsville at about 9:15, and it was about 16 hours. So it was a big stint. And yeah, so humming along now, and should get in at about 11 o'clock. So I'm pumped. It's been a good trip. I've loved every bit of it. Got a bit sketchy with all the mud and nearly getting bogged and whatnot, but no, I've been having fun. Boys have been great. They're just hanging out. Don't really have any other option, to be honest, but yeah, they're all good. So we're gonna keep trekking, move along to might stop in Innisfail or something like that. Give the boys a walk and some food, and then go from there. So keep moving till we're home in Cairns. G'day guys, we have made it to Cairns. We made it yesterday at around 12 o'clock. Boys are all settling in Dad's shed at the moment. Ram there doesn't fit in this bay. I got to put it in there, so I got to clean this up, and I want to clean the bike, change the rear wheel over, hopefully go for a ride soon. But yeah, Ram made it, killer. Only damage that we had on the Ram, I totally forgot, I had to get out of the way of a road train. And I hit one of those guideposts, and it sort of scratched along here. Can't really see in the light probably, but yeah, so scratched the whole way along to here. Only little scratches, might buff out. And then Otis was hanging out the window, and sort of a few marks here, but cleaned up all right. Still got dirt all through the wheels, still dirt falling off. But yeah, so we made it, all good. Went to, Dad had his van, had the panel van in the car show yesterday. So I went and checked that out quickly at the end of it, and he won Best Van and Wagon, which night and day, really. There wasn't, and yeah, so he did a good job there. But yeah, I'm hopefully going to do a few Chuck's Garages, roaming Chuck's Garage up here with a few mates who've got some killer cars, and speaking to one of Dad's mates yesterday, he had some phenomenal cars. So hopefully we'll be able to do a tour of their sheds. And I know my mate has got a killer XP, I think, that we're going to go look at soon, so I've got to touch base with him. But I'm going to be riding the dirt bike, the mountain bike, and chilling out here and doing some training. I did a session today, first one in a little while, and I nearly died. It was very hot. It's very hot up here already. I'm sweating buckets, but yes. So that might do it, guys. Just a quick little video of where I was and what I did and how I got up here. So it was about 3,000 kilometers, and I loved every bit of it. I had such a good time. It was so fun. A bit nerve-wracking going through the mud. I shouldn't have done that, but I had no idea. The GPS just took me that way. And any rain, I shouldn't have gone down there, but I did. But anyway, we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. I'll be doing a few more videos while I'm up here, and we'll go from there. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and we'll see you next time. Cheers. Bye.